Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and today we're visiting with Morgan Mairs. She's with the Warren County Soil and Water Conservation District. Today we're going to talk a little bit about some of the rental equipment you guys have at the Warren County Soil and Water Conservation District that's available for use for farmers or producers who might need this type of equipment.
We have a great rental equipment program available for Warren County producers. We have no-till drills and an earth pan. We have five now. We have hay busters. They're 10-foot drills. Three of them are refurbed, and we have two relatively new ones.
Okay, and so farmers can utilize these through a rental program. Give me some specifics about like the length of time they can have them. How do they
Mhm.
call and schedule them? I mean, you guys have five, but in Kentucky, a lot of times our weather window to utilize them is narrow. And so all five of
Yeah.
them could be spoken for.
That's right. It is a very popular program. We do ask that you call us as ahead of time as you can. I know how that works with a lot of folks. You need it when you need it. So we do try to get those delivered within 48 hours of business window. We also give you as long as you need, as long as you're respectful of that time for other folks too. We don't want it just sitting out there for days on end as long as you're needing it. Now, with inclement weather, we understand that and keep it as long as you need it until it dries up until you can get what you need out.
Okay, and you mentioned delivery, and I think that's
Mhm.
a kind of a different aspect than some of the other counties. But when I call to reserve a drill, you guys will actually bring it to my farm?
That's exactly right. You give us a call in the office. You can call myself or you can call Penny. We will then set that up with the contractor to give you a call and you'll schedule that delivery whenever you need it. And we do have a new contractor now, so you'll be seeing a new face drop those off.
And you also have a rental agreement. And what does that
Mhm.
consist of for the farmer?
Yes, that's really easy. We will just have you look that over and initial some really important points. No subleasing, return it in the condition of which it was dropped off, etc. It also has the new rental rates in there. We have increased that to $200 for a delivery and maintenance fee plus $10 per acre.
When the drill is delivered to your farm,
Mhm.
you can be assured that somebody has looked over it, emptied it, cleaned it, and it's ready to go, and you won't lose any time.
That's exactly right. And that is another reason we have increased those rates just a little bit. We want our fleet in top-notch working order when it lands at your place. We don't want you having to blow out any boxes, clean out any tubes. We want it ready to go when it's dropped off.
Absolutely. And I think that is a definite service because if you don't have one of your own and you're not used to maintaining it, there are some things that you need to do to make sure that it's in good working order.
That's right. There's a lot to it. There's a lot to maintaining all those drills. And with a fleet of five, it takes a lot of work to keep them in good working order.
Absolutely. Now you also mentioned an earth pan. And so you guys
Yes.
have that available for rent as well?
We do. Now that is a little bit different situation. That one you pick up yourself. We do have a separate rental agreement for the drills and the earth pan. They are not on the same sheet. Now the earth pan is $250 per day, and that's all there is to that. It's just a flat rate per day fee, and you pick that up on your own.
You guys offer a lot of programs through your office to help increase forage legumes in pastures and hay fields. This is a great way to do that. Cover crops, there's a lot of uses. And so if people are like, I'm interested, but I want more information, can they go to your website and find that information?
Absolutely, they can call. They can look on our website. We're available in office as well.
Okay, because there are a lot of things. You guys offer like a cover crop program. And so, even though
Mhm.
a lot of times we think of drills only utilized in the springtime, fall is another big time, and going ahead and
Mhm.
planning for some of those things might just kind of get you ahead of the game.
Absolutely, and you can come in and do a two for one and apply for cover crop for this upcoming fall. Now that will roll over at our new fiscal year in July, and you can talk about our drills while you're in here. And one other thing as well with our drills, we do request to have a tax exempt form on file if you are farm tax exempt.
And that's only because with new legislation that's happened, any type of
Mhm.
service now you have to have sales tax on. So if
Yes,
farmers want to be exempt from that, you actually have to have a physical copy of that tax
we do.
exemption.
We sure do. That is new for us within the past couple years, and we're trying to get everybody on file with that.
And if you have questions or are interested in renting the no-till drill or the earth pan, make sure to contact the Warren County Conservation District. We appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show and hope you have a great day.
Thank you, Jo.